रेडियो न्यूक्लियेट्स में टेक्नीशियम 99M का हाफ लाइफ कितना होगा? It has a half life of 6 hours and routinely used in bone scans fundamentally. I-131, even it has a short half life of 8 days is what you are going to remember. Now doctor, what is the most radio sensitive cell? Basically the one which is highly dividing with a high metabolic rate and highly well nourished will be very sensitive to the radiation, which is not hypoxic. Always remember, hypoxic tissues are radio resistant, hence provide good oxygen and kill them is considered to be the most important principle. Now coming to the giant cell tumor, by nature giant cell tumors do not lead to periosteal reaction is what you are going to ultimately remember, doctor. Now shoot me an answer. Which anti-HIV drug? It inhibits the HIV genome's integration into the host cell chromosome by reversibly inhibiting HIV integrase. One loud answer. Antiretroviral RMC has answered it as enfuvirtide. I thought that will be the answer, but Dr. Amit, Dr. Anuja, Dr. Dilip, they won't be non-compromising. Their answer is raltegravir. Exactly right, integrase inhibitor. Fusion inhibitor is what you need to remember. Then all antiretrovirals, doctor, out of those 500 topics list, right? I will keep telling 500 topics until November 12th. And release it on November 12th maybe, because you know already what are those 500 topics. It's a question of, have you seen Kung Fu Panda? After winning the whole game, when he opens the chart, there will be nothing there in the chart. So doctor, you have to make up the mind. Anyway, I will give you the list tomorrow, the PDF, but limit your energy. ये 500 पढ़ेंगे, अच्छी तरह पढ़ेंगे, उसमें से 200 correctly answer करेंगे, definitely our rank, our seat is assured. Okay, doc? That's good. Now, amenorrhea, vaginal bleeding, abdominal pain. Think of ectopic pregnancy. Stage 2 means one or both ovaries and the pelvis. Hypertonic uterus means contractions infrequent, amplitude is low, but the basal tone is of the uterine musculature is normal. Now doctor, third stage of labor mein what is active management, conservative management? Waiting for the placenta to get itself separated without any intervention is all about the conservative management. Flexion, rotation, defier. What is the correct order? Is it flexion, rotation, deflection, external rotation, or right? Okay. Now coming to mini pill, it is a progesterone only pill. It has some advantages, you all know very well. Pearl index is that percentage prevalence of conception in those people who are using the contraception. Then wedge resection for that multiple cysts or the Steen-Leventhal syndrome or the polycystic ovarian syndrome, one of the ways to manage. You have given progesterone withdrawal, still bleeding did not happen, means problem ovulation में नहीं है, कोई anovulation नहीं है. Problem is not with endocrinal problem is with the uterus. Maybe there is Asherman syndrome, there may be uterine agenesis, there may be tuberculosis of the endometrium, probably there is an endometrial atrophy. Problem is with the endometrium and uterus, not with ovulation. If the problem of amenorrhea is anovulation, what will happen? If the problem is anovulation, pre-ovulation estrogen is sufficient, hence whole endometrium is very well grown, but it is not in secretory phase. So you give progesterone for a while and withdraw, then it will bleed. So withdrawal bleeding का मतलब क्या है? प्रोजेस्टेरॉन देके बाद में रुक दिए तो withdrawal bleeding हो गए, तो उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका मतलब है amenorrhea is because of anovulation. Hence, if you give progesterone and withdraw, bleeding is happening. Though you have given progesterone and withdrawn, bleeding is not happening, means problem is with the some problem in the endometrium in the uterus itself is what you need to conclude. Secondary amenorrhea, 6 months criteria. Then histosalpingography during the early part of the follicular phase after menstruation. Then endometriosis, chocolate cysts, twinning. Typically, if the division occurs after the formation of the embryonic disc, then conjoined twins will be formed. Then lochia will appear for up to 2 weeks. Should be an answer, doctor. Graves' disease. Which HLA is associated? Suddenly to switch over to single liners is very challenging. HLA DQ34 बहुत दूर गया दिलीप. RMC says DR8. Dr. Anuja rightly shoots it as usual. What did we ask? Graves, eh? Graves is B8 as rightly said by Dr. Madhu from Hyderabad. Doctor, this dirty list you have to wash in the home and go to the example. A3 hemochromatosis, B27 you will remember, B8 is grave, DR2 is multiple sclerosis, DR3 is diabetes type 1, DR4 is rheumatoid arthritis, DR5 is pernicious and Hashimoto, DR7 is steroid responsive nephrotic syndrome. This list you need to carry to the tomorrow's exam. Normal stature but absent pubertal development is typical of lack of release of the GnRH due to the hypothalamic dysfunction in Kalaman syndrome. Similarly, doctor, approach to short stature, which is disproportionate, what is proportionate, short stature, everything. Bone age advanced is which situation, bone age is retarded in which situation, bone age equal to chronological age is which kind of short stature, what is constitutional dwarfism, familial short stature, everything we discussed in our pediatrics video in our video library. And now it is very easy. Anybody with a valid email ID can enter and then enroll to the video library. You don't need a coupon code. Without any coupon code, you can enter. You have got the full library of the videos. Any video of your choice you can revise. Only for taking online tests you require a coupon. So, now doctor, delayed puberty, sexual infantilism, along with hypergonadotropic hypogonadism. When will it occur? If there is ovarian dysgenesis in Turner, estrogen, if it is not produced, hypogonadism will be there. But if there is no estrogen, there is nobody to inhibit LH, hence it will be high. Hypergonadotropic hypogonadism in ovarian dysgenesis is what you need to remember. Endometriosis. What is the proof of coelomic metaplasia? See, doctor, there is one theory called retrograde menstruation. Instead of आगे जाने के बिना पीछे आगे, and that lead to development of endometrial implantation, and endometriosis is the prevalent theory, major cause. But endometrial implants lung में भी हो रहे, then what did they propose? Lymphatic theory of endometriosis. Then they found endometriosis is found even in the men, women without Mullerian structures. What is the reason? They discovered that the coelomic epithelium has undergone metaplastic changes into endometrium. Hence even men can also show endometric implants. So that is how the coelomic theory has come into vogue. You are suspecting luteal phase defect. What is luteal phase defect? Progesterone का production नहीं हो रहा. How will you diagnose? If you do endometrial biopsy, you will find absence of secretory changes, which can be underlying cause of the luteal phase defect. Delayed puberty. If the mean arc is beyond 16 years, defines a delayed puberty. Should we answer, doctor? Which is the major chemotactic factor for the neutrophils? Who will give me the correct answer? Major chemotactic factor. Excellent. I didn't expect Dr. Anuja, Dr. Bhanu, Dr. Dilip is right, Dr. Madhavi is right, but Dr. Bhanu made a good attempt, IL-2, but IL-8. Doctor, there is a list. Interleukin 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, what do they do? How do they do? Where do they do? My God. Ultimately, we need to remember all those interleukins and go to exam. After exam is over, next day, who cares what interleukin will be doing? But until exam, you have to. So, you need to get that list, doctor. This Sunday, when we have a Sunday test, we will have a review on interleukins quiz. We will have an interleukin quiz. Lymphogranuloma venereum. How can you best make out the diagnosis? You know that it is a chlamydia trachomatis whose antibodies is the most specific way of making the diagnosis. It is the phosphatidylglycerol levels. Did anybody answer LS ratio? No. Have you? Between the two, phosphatidylglycerol is much more reliable, more specific indicator. Especially if the mother has got diabetes and irrespective of LS ratio. LS ratio can get affected if the maternal diabetes is there. But phosphatidylglycerol is much more specific. In entrance, if this kind of question comes, we feel very sorry because it's too finest aspect of false positives, false negatives about investigation.